Today we'll talk about biosimilars, but first, what are biologics? Biologics are large proteins, antibodies, or a protein that mimics a receptor in the body, and they're made out of living materials through a complex manufacturing process. Biologics target specific parts of your immune system. And in rheumatology, the first effective biologics were against a protein called TNF. By blocking TNF in the body, we are able to better control diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and ankylosing spondylitis. In fact, many times we could put these diseases into remission. Then what are biosimilars? While biologics have been around for over 20 years, the first few biologics are now losing their patent. This allows other companies to make similar biologics. However, unlike normal generic medications, it is not possible to make an exact copy of a biologic. So instead, companies make new medications which are very similar to the originator biologic. They then complete studies that must show their new biologic is equally effective and safe to the originator biologic. It cannot be better and it can't be worse. If they can prove this, then they have a new medication which is biologically highly similar, or a biosimilar. It costs less money to develop a biosimilar than an originator biologic, and because of this, it is also less expensive to purchase a biosimilar, or for your insurance company to pay for it. As of early 2020, biosimilars are available for the originators for etanercept and infliximab in Canada. For etanercept, or Enbrel, the biosimilars are called Brenzys and Erelzi. They are injected once per week, just like original Enbrel. For infliximab, the biosimilars are called Inflectra and Renflexis. They are infused by intravenous, just like and as often as Remicade. Are biosimilars safe? Yes. Health Canada requires that biosimilars are as effective and safe as originator biologics. Biosimilars have been available for a number of years now, in fact, with many patients already using biosimilars to treat their disease. Information collected from these patients to date has confirmed the safety and effectiveness of the biosimilars. But what about switching to a biosimilar? In North America, payers are beginning to mandate that patients switch from their original biologic to a biosimilar, even if they are currently doing well on their originator biologic. This approach can save substantial dollars for insurance companies and government. Switching medications, though, when you're feeling well, can sometimes feel scary. Studies have shown that the overwhelming majority of patients do well with this switch. Similar to when patients switch between two similar original biologics, for instance, Simponi and Cimzia, or Humira, or Enbrel. The problem is we can't say for sure that every patient who switches to a biosimilar, be it Enbrel to Erelzi or Enbrel to Brenzys, will do well. So what do you do if you have to switch? Well, first and most important, speak with your rheumatologist and your arthritis care team. No one except you and your specialist understands your medication, your disease, and your overall situation with the right expertise and knowledge. By speaking to your arthritis specialist, you can discuss what a switch means, if you can or should switch, the insurance process for the switch, and whether you could switch to a biosimilar or another originator biologic instead. Your rheumatologist and you will then be able to closely monitor how you do with the switch and work together if any problems arise. For more information, visit our website at albertarheumatology.com.